Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an SMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go and click on indicator here at the top. Click on it, then search for moving average. Moving average. And choose this one, moving average simple. Okay, SMA stands for simple moving average. So click on it. And now, as you can see here, this is our SMA. Okay. If you want to change the period, just click on this gear icon here on setting. Then go to input. And here on length, you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say, for example, you want a 50 SMA. Just type here 50. Okay, like this. Then click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.